We are making super healthy brownies with dates. I'm going to blend my dates, which I've been soaking in hot water. I'm also going to add some of that soaking water in my blender. Now, while blending continuously, I'm adding my eggs one by one. In goes the coconut oil, a little bit of vanilla, and let's blend it again. Now I'm adding some cocoa, oats, baking soda, and a little bit of salt, and blend it again. Transferring to an oven tray, and this is the consistency that we are looking for. I'm adding some chocolate chips, which are totally optional, and some walnuts. And now I'm going to cook this at a preheated oven at 170 Celsius degrees. The brownie is ready. Absolutely delicious. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.